Yeah, yeah, yeah! Medyo ba yan? Ano? Oh my God. Eh, apatan kami dito. Ngayon na kami nakasakay sa ganitong tricycle. Hindi ko alam na kasya palang apat sa loob. So amazing. Please stay inside of the tricycle. Ibon, Ibon, take a look at me now. Yes, Kuya driver. Ay talaga, sige. What started from the bottom, now we here. What started from the bottom, now we here. What? This is fun. More fun in the tricycle. One, two, three. More fun in the tricycle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oo, bumili ka ng maraming chicharin. Oh, what a beautiful house. It's orange. It's beautiful. Nakangiti siya eh. Maganda patiin. True clothes. Wow! Saan kami ang baka? Oh. Abaka ba yun? Kaya pala siya nalilit. Ito na. Ay, ito na pala tayo. And we've reached the destination already, but I didn't expect it to be like
Parang
this.
nasa Mindoro lang ako.
Hindi, magkano tayo?
Ha? I'm expecting something nice, pero yung sapa hindi siya nakita. Maliit lang. I was telling them kung gaano kaliit yung sapa eh. I'm devastated. Go guys. Wow, this is amazing.
Oh, look, look, look. Take a look at it. Oh, here. Amazing.
Oh, amazing.
Amazing picture frame.
Wow. Wow. What can you say, guys? Yvonne, oh my God.
Naman, payat ko, di ba?
I'll give you a tour of Yvonne's house. Right here, you can see the biggest TV on her house, but on the left side, wow, another plasma. And a cabinet full of souvenirs. Wow. Wow, Casey, this is your frame, oh?
Ito po, kasi love ko si Casey eh.
Oh my God, little ponies.
May kaninong trophy yan? Kaninong trophy yan? Wala eh. Isa, yan eh. Ano na yan?
Welcome to Yvonne's crib. Ha! Hi, Yvonne. Your house is very, very nice.
All green. She's ecotourist.
But I'm very disappointed dun sa Sapa. Akala ko talaga makakita ko ng fish and everything. Pero,
Niloloko ko pa si ano eh. Akin sa tayo ng bundok. Look, the Eiffel
Di ba?
Tower.
Pero kasi sinabi ko na hawakan yung hagdan dito.
so let's take a look at Yvonne's refrigerator.
Ay, naku, wala na ba?
Here we have 2 pitchers, lots of bread, yeah, and pineapple, Colette's buko pie, and medicines. And on the second floor, full of ice. Yeah. She has a lot of dogs. Oh my God! May tumatalon! Ah! Tumatalon! Ah! All their tails! Oh my God! You're so cute! yung sapatos niyo.
Uy, ito!
Dalawa. Ayun.
Sa inay sa first floor lang pala.
Ay,
Ay, sabi ko. Puno nila yung sapatos nyo.
Wag na, dyan na lang.
Nakainit na kayo, mga dito. Hindi ka kayo makaka-uwi.
Hindi yan, wala yan. Go upstairs na.
Go, follow the leader. Go upstairs.
Wow! Girl na girl! Punta namin sa kwarto ni Ivo. Medyo nakakatakot kasi wala siyang hawakan pero pretty yung house nila. Wow, look at the shoes. It's a lot of shoes.
Oh, hanggang fourth floor sila, oh.
Oh, shit.
No,
I know. Just this. And this.
Oh, the ketchup. Saan sila? Hello, yung mga Kumaya papasok kami.
First door. To the left.
Ang linis ng kwarto nyo. Ang linis ng bahay nyo. Ay, paano pa naginipan ko to?
Woo! This is Yvonne's house.
Wow,
Room.
plenty of shoes. Look over there.
Oh, boots. Ready na si Ibon sa ano.
Wow, ang daming glow.
Ha? Sino kama mo dito?
Ayun na, Charmaine.
And here we see a lot of dresses.
Siyempre, sa'yo. Sa'yo lang yun.
Cute. Nasaan na ate mo?
Yeah.
Matulog tayo dito.
What can you say, guys?
It's so cute. It's so really nice. Ganda-ganda ng bahay nila. No?
She has a lot of teddy bears on her bed.
Ang cute. Parang dorm na.
A lot of shoes.
Like a dorm.
Wow,
No,
look at
I
that
think
shoe.
that it's made by her friend over there. Oh, happy birthday, Charmaine. So
Ang
nice.
cute. But alam mo yung photo booth, di ba ito yun sa huli?
Yeah.
Try nga na. Photo booth.
Yay! Thank you, moms. Momsy. This is like so yummy. Look at the. Oh my freaking god. Look at what's inside. There's bacon, a beef. Yeah. Looks amazing.
Bigyan mo sa kita.
Bless me, oh Lord, guys, please.
Oh no, you sneeze at the food.
No, I covered my mouth. Taking pictures. Taking pictures.
Look, my tummy is already big.
Inception.
My tummy is already big.
It's a talking tummy, you know.
Yeah. Hi.
Ngayon nagre-reklamo.
I love the weather out here.
Look at the sun. I love the weather.
Sunset. And the laptop is. Yeah. Hi, Yvonne.
Yung cellphone mo may
I think I'll stay here. There's a lot of food.
Alam mo iba yung boss mo sa video.
Demographics.
Hello, Wiki.
Ay, oo. Ito. Meron na. Cheryl, please. Ay, kay Ibon to eh.
Hi, Yvonne.
Kay Ibon to eh.
Ja, put down your hands.
Ito.
there. Based on
Ulo.
Hi, Casey.
Visible ako eh.
Hi, Lazel. I'm zooming my phone on you.
Bakit?
Show me your
Wala
ugliest
do
face.
eh. Bakit kaya?
No, make something.
Wala.
Hi, Jaja. You're so dark.
So dark talaga.
Yeah, I can't even see your face.
Against the light. Ano na, Ju? Paano yan? Wag na lang, Ju. Ayaw ko send.
Massage?
We're almost done
Or
with
no?
chapters 1 and 2.
Okay. I'm easy to talk to.
Wag na, Ju.
Ah, naka-zoom pala ako. I'm so stupid. Naka-zoom pala ako, so hindi ko alam yung itsura ko kanina, pero tapos na kami sa chapter 1 and 2.
Uy, anong oras pa alam mo?
Yeah.
Wala na yung sunset.
Eh, tayo eh. Hindi.
Akyat pa tayo sa taas, di ba, Yvonne?
Wala na yung sunset.
Video ko pa yun.
Kaso madaling na ka na habang may araw pa.
Hi, Mingming.
Mimi.
Nice to meet you.
Punta kami sa kabilang bahay. Nila Yvonne. Uy, baka may takot na dito ah.
Hindi kasi magiging... Ano kasi to?
Look at that amazing. I think it's the mall. Hindi siya kita. Wala nga nakikita yo, itim na itim.
Sinasabi mo sa akin eh.
I don't think you can even see it, pero super ganda dun. And there's the other house. Ang ganda din sa taas nila, Ibo, no? Wow! Oh my God! Total freedom! Look at the view! Juway, 1, 2, 3, jump. Dali. 1, 2, 3, jump! Woo! Na-late ka. Dito tayo sa taas.
Ang ganda, Ibon. Ito talaga kaya.
Dito tayo sa taas.
Ibon, hindi ibon part ng video.
Grabe, sobrang taas. I'm so scared na.
Yan, ginawa yung...
Woo! Guys, I'm on top of the world. Look. This is so amazing, guys. Like, look at that city. Oh my God.
Oh, the airplane! You take a video over there! Look!
The near airplane. Hi, guys. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Sobrang enjoy. Ang taas-taas ng bahay nila ng Ibon.
So very high here. High here. Diyan, doon lang naman yung Makati. Doon tayo nagpupunta.
Oo nga eh. Sabi ko, look at the city. Oo.
Santa Barbara kasi gusto mo mga maliit na ilaw.
Is this real? Yvonne, paano kaya pupunta dun sa kabila? Nagka-teleport. May teleport spot ba dyan? Ayun o, yung part na yan.
Kasi really dyan yung tangke ng tubig.
Dapat talaga.
Grabe, Yvonne, ang ganda-ganda ng house niya. Ang taas-taas. May balak ba kayong tayuan ng swimming pool yan?
Wow! Oh my God!
Pinakamataas ko yun, ha? Casey, naalala mo yung ano?
Tight grip.
Sikat siya saan?
Sa UK.
Doon lang?
Wala
pa siyang MTV?
Ayan.
Hindi, MTV na napapalabas sa TV.
Wala pa. Sa TV sa UK.
Tight grip. Tight grip float. Dapat sila.
Guys, bigyan kita.
Blouse.
Madilim eh.
Times change, but I feel the same. 2 a.m. I'm on it again. Ooh, si Jad, party yan. And we're singing.
Kailangan ko ng
May kaboses siya. Si ano, T-Pain. Kaboses niya si T-Pain. Ano sabihin natin?
Ganda ang katawan niya.
All you care about is all them girls outside.
Uy, kaya si Casey, tara.
It stopped! Oh my freaking god. Andyan!